Greetings to you all. I feel privileged to be standing in front of you beautiful souls. I am Sitemso George and am currently doing grade 10 at Cowan High School. A smart man with wisdom once said, "It always seems impossible until it's done." What is career chosen? Firstly, a career is a job that you learn to do and then do it for many years. Career choosing is the stage where one is supposed to choose a certain career. When I grow up, I want to be a smart medical technologist with brilliance and enthusiasm. A medical technologist is a health professional whose job includes treatment of diseases and diagnosis. What motivated me to choose this career is that many people failed to do what they've been assigned to do. I chose this career because I want to help and save people's lives, and I also want to conceive a new method for helping people's lives. Some people choose their careers for money. They go for the title just to impress their enemies. And that is not a good thing at all. Because you should live for yourself and do what you love, because success requires sacrifices. My dream is to change the mindsets of those who choose their careers for money. I want them to abide with the fact that there is no tangible reason for choosing a career without love and passion. Therefore, I admonish you to prosper for everything you do. Show dedication, be a hard worker, and think like the star within you. The most remarkable thing is passion and purpose. You must have a specific and a concrete reason for choosing that particular field. You must be committed to your job. Your job must not be mundane. It should bring you joy. You must not go for money, because money cannot buy happiness. You must be prepared to give a lot of your time and attention in everything you do. Therefore, choose your career. Therefore, choose your career field conscientiously. You must be able to contend with the challenges that you will face. You must be determined to work hard in order to succeed, and you must be able to contribute even though there are difficulties. If you do not have enough information about your career, you must do job shadowing. You must go to someone who is knowledgeable about your career field. You can also attend career exhibitions so that you can be able to know everything about your career. The career exhibition is essential because it helps to acknowledge one about his or her career field. Remember, you will not find happiness and satisfaction if you go for money. Follow your passion. It will lead you to your purpose. Be eager to do everything you want. And don't forget that success requires sacrifices, and success is the key to a contented life with full of satisfaction and happiness. Therefore, Ladies and gentlemen, I am grateful for lending me an ear to convey my message valiantly. I stand. Thank you.